then why should, if local police is doing the investigation, what kind of demand every time, this is between local police and CBI. What magic will CBI do? If investigations will have to be done, it has to be done locally. It has to be, seen who are the people involved. What is the motive of such a brutality that was inflicted on her? This is a professional, a doctor who's inside the, space where they are supposed to be the safest. Now, doctors are waiting. This is going on for a long time, and doctors have been raising this whole issue. There is a whole bill which is pending in Parliament, which needs to be enacted, which is, which is about safety of doctors against all forms of violence, because people are beating them up in the OPD. They are, now we had to wait for such incidents. Now, has there been any kind of review about the safety measures? Why only this hospital? Government of India, why it is sitting over the bill for such a long time? Why are they not passing the bill to make it an act, to make it mandatory that every small, everywhere we have these nursing homes, hospitals, even 1%, 2% together can start a kind of whole medical services facility without any review, without any audit, without any mechanism to go and look into these things. Yesterday in my discussion, the Indian Medical Association president was sitting, and he himself was saying that there is no review for why and how these people are protecting the doctors. If CCTV camera was now there, have they reviewed that are all hospitals in this country, private nursing homes, private hospitals are having a CCTV camera? Are they having people, the guards, the women guards, to look after all these doctors who are inside? I mean, this is very easy for any spokesperson of any political party. Every time there is a slugfest of politics, every time there is, whether local police investigation or CBI, she lost her life. And look at the brutality. Look at the kind of brutality women are facing. I mean, what kind of a mindset, what kind of people, men we have around.